Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the SOL Harbour development in Ocho Rios. Now this is a massive development. Two 7-story towers in Ocho Rios. Very nicely done by Proven. And these units are sold out. Every unit sold out. The studios, apartments completely sold out, and they should be handed over to the owners, I guess, by early 2026. So this development speaks volumes about the real estate market in Jamaica. If you build a premium product in the right location and sell it for the right price, it will be sold out in no time. Now, most of these units were bought for Airbnb purposes, meaning to rent them out through Airbnb, because Ocho Rios is a major tourist town. Now, when you look at some other developments in Jamaica, the very nice developments, but the locations are just wrong, or the prices are just wrong. But this one, they got it right, and the development was completely sold out. Location is very important when it comes on to real estate. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. SOL Harbour is a transformative real estate development rising in the heart of Ocho Rios, St. Anne, brought to life by Proven Properties Limited. Designed as a premier mid-rise residential complex, SOL Harbour marks a bold shift in the town's real estate landscape, introducing luxury living, resort-style amenities, and investment-ready spaces in a highly coveted tourist location. The SOL Harbour development consists of two sleek 7-story towers encompassing a total of 152 residential units, 140 studio apartments averaging approximately 620 square feet, 12 two-bedroom units averaging approximately 1,250 square feet. Construction began in June 2023, with handover to buyers expected in early 2026. The project was designed by Lighthouse Projects Limited, with structural engineering provided by HTG and SGS Engineering. The complex is centrally located within walking distance of beaches, shopping areas, restaurants, and major tourist attractions. Market demand for units in SOL Harbour has far exceeded expectations. By mid-2025, all studio and two-bedroom units were fully sold out, including 15 studios that had been held back initially and released later to the public. Proven confirmed in July 2025 that every single unit has been purchased, with a large share going to diaspora buyers, local investors, and Airbnb operators. This complete sellout, well ahead of completion, is a testament to both the local and this complete sellout with well ahead of completion is a testament to both the location and the vision of Proven Properties. It also reflects a high level of confidence in the Jamaican real estate market, especially along the tourist-driven North Coast. SOL Harbour has been carefully designed to cater to both full-time residents and part-time investors. Amenities include rooftop access with scenic ocean and mountain views, clubhouse with pool, gym, and lounge areas, concierge services and business lounge, jogging trail and landscape outdoor spaces, secured access with 24/7 surveillance and parking. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.